Message to Esther Asipaka Edokpayi, because you not be a ebagua wife again. Message to Esther Asipaka Edokpayi, because you not be destiny ebagua wife again. Esther, Nasaga just feel reduce you to zero like this. May I quickly tell you before I continue. Esther, as it stands right now, you are no longer a musician to me. Forget saying me and you get one or two issue. But as it be right now, you not be a musician to me. I know they even see you as one. Now, Esther, you are the only self-acclaimed Edo musician. Let me put it that way, because I don't know you as a musician, and every other people, you don't lose fans. That's the truth. You have lose fans just because you want to prove a point. You want to go do saga with people where they do saga for years. You want to do saga with people who got nothing to lose. You want to do saga with people who be saying they don't get anything, they don't get anything to lose. See your life now. You don't lose views, you don't lose followers, because you created that page for music. There is a reason why you created that page, for people to see your good work and book you for shows. Now, not be waiting you to put that page for. Not be they come to see. Now saga they come to see. If they want watch saga, they will come and don't get platform called watch saga, or Franco Moswell, or Ekobete, or Queen Rita. Not be you will be musician. Now, number 1 point. Esther Asipaka no edokpayi. Check all the Edo musicians. Both the one way they Nigeria to the one way they Europe, diaspora musicians, where they sing Edo music, where they promote Edo culture. You don't ever see the one where they use their page to they share saga. Ubekwa. 2, not just use yourself to compare Shine Francis or odigie. Not China. You get it, they would make me they do this video now. You post one thing the other day. Say you not go for they do saga with people where they Europe, where you know they see. Maybe they do saga with person where you on a girl in Nigeria. Say she bold, may mention your name, make she drop location. Esther, without being told, without sentiment, without nothing, let's call a spade a spade. Esther, can you? No, let's call a spade a spade. Can you? Physical combat. You go fit beat Francis or odigie. I dey ask. Can you beat Francis or odigie? Where you dey tell her make you drop location? Where you on one for trouble? Esther Edokpayi, who was I don't know the adverse you, but your adversary is as stupid as you are. I pour speed for your face. Prayer, I pour speed for you. Who were useless grandmother no man bay. You see you laugh. Not be to go Robola, go to Juju. You get rest of men now. Me just they come back from vacation now. You get rest of men. Your children born now. You not fit post pregnancy. You not fit post them for Facebook because of your stupidity. Other musicians go born. They'll post their wife pregnancy. They'll post their baby because they not get who they offend. But fear not let you try them. You see, you see your life. You see your life. You see your stupid life. Then the people where they clap for you, their children, that they focus on their future. You, that they push your children, maybe they follow you, they do saga. Now, let's talk about Shine Francis and Asipaka. Shine Francis gets 90% swagalicious pass you for the entertainment industry. Let's forget about Papa Owela. We'll take Papa Owela, come on for inside this issue. Let's talk about dignity. Dignity. Let's talk about dignity. Now, Shine Francis not settle for less. Shine Francis or odigie do not settle for less. Ask me why. She is not an 002 to anybody. When your papa wala relationship crash, the lady suffer carry herself. Go. Before you know it, another man love am, marry am, put her for house. We all know your husband. Say her husband they try. Her husband dey UK. He dey okay. The man they take care of Child Francis, and the man they take care of his own stepdaughter. Peace. Child Francis was a hot cake in the Edo industry 10 years, 15 years back. Child Francis is one of the most beautiful actress Edo State has ever produced. If you think I'm lying, argue with your go-go. Go reach her younger sister where they call conscience. Go and look at her. The beauty where Child Francis get, he cut and give his sister. Next day with the pikin. Now, Esther, you not fair. Esther, I pour speak for your face again. Pray. Not try and use yourself compare Child Francis in any way. Not try and the opportunity where you get. If Child Francis get opportunity, by now she now Instagram celebrity she for the roll with. They feel am. Not try and not reason now. Child Francis don't follow different men, different husband house. Child Francis not cheat on any of the husband when you don't meet for your life. Not cheat on any of the husband when you don't. You never go different husbands before you can end up with this husband. So I say difference is clear. For beauty, he pass you. For body, he get body pass you. He's soft, classy. Where was Zua? Who go you na uzo or tu zo not yon? Wa gbe wagbon. Wa bo lo we gbe wagbon. If I commence work gbe obolopa, o segbo wa zugu go. Get come better ni aragbon we no support you say. E saga mafo. E saga we mafo nu gbe o. E saga we mafo nu su wagbon nu gbogbo Nu wo wagbon na Child Francis na you wan follow. Na mabele okay saga presenter because he remain presenter si we. But is gbina ma gba le fresh topic ni mavela. U dey by man Come better not gbe ni we you to. Ado gwa le no in fact we me gas ni mi ne. Opo fi ara we ni sankai. Who azu wagbon. Okwa dey you ohun. Baba Ola egbe make Child Francis drop location. As he say you feel bitter. Since you come Edo industry now can no agua. If not be some way constantly try, they use kids, then they follow up. Who will do bedo Edo entertainment? Who do be motor to you? Wa sun wagmo. Baba Ola we gbe orí na mai. Orí na mai. The gbagbo de le gbe owe. Na to go Urobo na go swe. Gagmu we ni anu gbagbo we. Imedake vacation dinner. Imedake September ile gbe akan. December, if the black here is sworn Ozo. Akpo bobo. Egwe. Mugu. You don't know. People they support you now. Tomorrow they do bue. Go and worry. And you know where we go. Now, Child Francis, you want to compare yourself. Look, more you look yourself. Look yourself. Look Child Francis. If difference don't they. If you now Child Francis, for example, and Child Francis could be you. For your mind, you no say you go fit beat yourself. You don't say you fit beat yourself. If you na Child Francis could be you. See you there, you don't say Child Francis go fit ogwe. Igan ko no ma me yo won. Wa zu awagmo. How far your friendship with Ebony Obasuyi? Your friendship with Ebony Obasuyi. O ma wo share happy birthday nu gbo. Nu su wagmo. Baba ila we gbe. Wa sungu. Nonsense. This one will be part 1. And they can't do live video for your head. I'm back from vacation. Share this video. Nonsense.